guys, it's Cece and welcome back to my channel this week for another episode of Makeup and Crime Time. I hope you are all doing well. If you are new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video today, and I hope that you do stick around and subscribe if you do enjoy this type of content, as I post videos every single week, and I would love it if you would join me. Today we're going to be getting into a case that actually involves social media. No big surprise, but it gets a little bit darker than that. So without any further ado, let's just get into the case of Jeremy Arrington. On April 8th, 2022, a 34-year-old man by the name of Jeremy Arrington was sentenced to 375 years in prison for the brutal murders of a college student and two young children ages just 11 and 7. 23-year-old Saisha McBarrows was allegedly visiting a family friend at the time of her death, and the two young children I will not be identifying in this video because they are minors. However, you can look up that information if you wish. The vicious crime was said to allegedly be over a Facebook post. Jeremy was a suspect in a previous shooting and SA. He was allegedly wanted by the police, and the mother of the two deceased children had shared this on her Facebook page. I mean, it wasn't even that she made the Facebook post, she just shared the Facebook post. And that caused Jeremy to snap. On November 5th, 2016, Jeremy broke into the family Whitehurst home. He was armed with a gun and tied up 9 people. He then proceeded to torture and stab them with kitchen knives, and the attack lasted for over an hour. The victims of the brutal attack consisted of not only members of the Whitehurst family, but also friends and family who were visiting at the time. The aunt of the two deceased children had locked herself in a bathroom to hide, and she reportedly said that she could hear the children screaming as they were being attacked. He allegedly attacked them until they stopped screaming. A young girl with autism and family friend was able to barricade herself in a closet where she called 911. I mean, like, how brave of that little girl, you know? I mean, she's already struggling, she's terrified, and she's still able to get up the courage to call 911. When the police arrived, they ended up in a full-out standoff between them and Jeremy Arrington, and Jeremy was able to escape in a nearby abandoned home. Jeremy had also claimed that he was holding somebody hostage. Jeremy was arrested for murder, and he ended up pleading not guilty. Like, come on, buddy, what a sicko. And with that being said, the case went to trial. And it would be a long one. It would end up taking 5 long years before the families finally got justice. Jeremy was found guilty on 3 counts of first-degree murder, and he received 3 consecutive life sentences. He was also convicted on 3 counts of attempted murder for the other victims. In addition, he was found guilty on several weapons charges, as well as burglary and criminal restraint. He was sentenced to 375 years in prison. He will be eligible for parole after serving a mandatory 271 years. So, needless to say, he won't be getting out. What do you guys think of this case? Let me know in the comments below. You guys, this one's pretty crazy, but also we have all posted things on Facebook in the heat of the moment. You know, it really could have been any one of us. I'm pretty sure that we, you know, maybe not have gone that far with it. However, just remember to be careful out there. Be safe with what you're posting. Just remember, you never know who's watching you. And that is it for this case today. What a crazy one. we all use social media. I mean, I guess the lesson here is, well, number one, don't be crazy and don't do crazy things to people. But also, on a serious note, guys, be careful what you're posting. I mean, you never know who's watching you and who you can trust these days. And on that note, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching this today. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification bell as I post videos every single week. And I would love it if you would join me. So until next time, stay safe and I hope you have a great week.